Question number 7. Find both the maximum value and the minimum value of that function 3x power 4 and so on plus 25 on the interval 0, 3, close interval 0, 3. Although the question say to find the maximum value, but the interval is given close interval 0, 3. Whenever close interval is given, we have to use the working rule of the absolute maximum value. The working rule which I have given. So we will solve it with the help of the working rule of the absolute maximum value. Although it is written maximum value, but we will use that one. So given that function, differentiate it with respect to x. That is the first step of the working rule. So you will have 3x power 4 differentiate that one. You will have 12x cubed. For 8x cubed, you will have 24x square. 12x square, you will have 24x. And then minus 48x, you will have 48. Then the second step is, for critical points, you have to put f of dash of x equal to 0. So from there, we will find the value of x according to the working rule. So put the value of f dash of x equal to 0. And then after that, 12 is common. What is remaining, you write it here, equal to 0. Next, 12 cannot be 0. So this term inside the bracket should be equal to 0. Next, from the first two terms, take common. What is common from the first two terms is x square. Remaining is x minus 2. And then from the last two terms, 2 is common. Remaining is x minus 2 equal to 0. Next, after that, what is common? Common is x minus 2 from both the terms. And then what is remaining? Remaining is x square plus 2. X square plus 2. That will be equal to 0. And then from here, we will have only x minus 2 equal to 0. This term x square plus 2 cannot become 0. The reason I have given here, since x square plus 2 does not equal 0 for all x real number, x belongs to R. Because whether you put x negative number or positive number, that will always be positive number, greater than 0. So x square is already positive, you add with 2 positive, so it cannot be 0. It cannot be 0 for any real number. Even if you put 0 here also, it cannot become 0. 0 square is 0, 0 plus 2, 2. That means it will be greater than 0. So it cannot become 0 for all x belongs to a real number. So if this one cannot become 0, so this one has to be 0. So we will have x minus 2 equal to 0. And then from here you will have only x equal to 2. Then move to the third step. We now evaluate the value of f at x equal to 2 and also at the start of the interval and the end of the interval. Interval at the beginning is given 0, 3. That means at x equal to 0 and at x equal to 3. Then we find the value of f. F of 2. All x in the f of x, all x in the value of f of x should be replaced by 2. All x should, you put it as 2, 2, 2, 2. Calculate all this in the rough, you will get minus 30, 39. This is your f of x from the beginning. put all x as 2, then you calculate f of 2. You'll get minus 30, minus 39. Next, f of 0, all x should be put as 0. So obviously you'll get from here 0, 0, 0, 0, remaining only 25. So answer will be 25. Next, 3, all x replaced as 3. You'll have this one. Calculate on the rough, you'll have 16. So what is the maximum value? Maximum value is 20, 25. So I'll write here, therefore maximum value, not absolute, because in the question is to find maximum value. We only use the working rule. Don't write absolute, because this one is to find maximum value. Therefore, maximum value of f is 25, which occurs at x equal to 0. And minimum value of f is, minimum smallest value is minus 39, which occurs when x equal to 2. So up to that much will be the answer.